everyone. Today we're going to learn about the letters from A to Z. A, B, A. Wait, we can do this, guys. A is the first letter. Did you know, Kristan?
No, A.
Oh, okay. Is B the second letter?
I don't know. B don't know it.
Oh. Kristan, say A, B.
A, B. Letter C. C.
Yeah, C is the next letter.
D.
What's this letter?
D.
Yes, we've got it. What's this letter?
E. 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 E.
What, Kristan? And what's this letter?
F.
What's this letter?
Oh no, letter D might have to. D.
He's a little kid. What's this letter?
H.
What's this letter?
I.
What's this letter?
J.
What's this letter?
K.
What's this letter?
L.
What's this letter?
M.
What's this letter?
N.
What's this letter?
O.
What's this letter?
P.
What's this letter?
Q.
What's this letter?
R.
What's this letter?
S.
What's this letter?
T.
What's this letter?
U.
What's this letter?
V.
What's this letter?
W.
What's this letter?
X.
What's this letter?
Y.
And what's the last letter?
Z.
But guys, Z is also a king. Bye! Kristan, say bye.
Bye.
We're all done.